Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Hope you had a great holiday. Sharon and I are excited to bring you more cool new home tours this year. Today we're back out at SilverLeaf, specifically Silver Meadows, which is a Lennar community. And we're going to take a look at their Medallion bonus. We've helped some clients with these homes before. Great home, great floor plan, a lot of space, a lot of variation within it. So come on, let's take a peek and we'll all learn a little bit together. All right, gang, this is the Medallion bonus. Again, they're using this as their office, so that's the office, but it would normally be a 3-car garage right here, okay? And this is the elevation HA. So we're going to take a little walk in, and Lennar, as most of you know, is everything included, and that includes paver driveways, okay? And we'll see some other things along the way that we'll talk about. Now, the Medallion bonus, 3,152 square feet. And it's all, the home is smarted up. You'll have your video doorbells. You'll have your thermostats. Your entry locks all will be able to be Wi-Fi'd up, so you can smart the home up even further. All right, pretty cool. Sharon and I do appreciate you coming along. Close the door. It's a little chilly out this morning. Anyway, this is a 4-bedroom, 4-bath home, 3-car garage. All right, so let's take a peek around. We'll give you guys a good look-see. 8-foot doors. All in the Royal, this is part of the Royal collection. All right, 5¼ inch baseboards, all bypass doors on the closets, which are so nice, versus bifolds that can give you a little trouble sometime. Coming in here in the front bedroom, see the 9-foot ceilings with the 8-foot doors. Now, one thing I noticed in this particular model is that the air conditioning system seems to are doing a really great job. It's nice and even throughout the home. They've done a good job designing the 2 units. Anyway, wall tile to the ceiling. That looks like a metal tub. No, it's a fiberglass tub, but man, does it look like a metal tub. Pretty strong. All right, quartz countertops, of course. What we've got over here in this other bedroom. Again, both of them probably about the same size. Pretty standard stuff. Where this home shines is the central areas. I'll show you here just shortly. 5¼ inch baseboard, standard in the Royal collection. Tile floor, bypass closet there at the entry space. This is the 3-car garage entry. Of course, it's their office, so there's really nothing to see there. Laundry space. SilverLeaf, as you all know, is a natural gas community, so you're stubbed out for gas or a 220 electric dryer. They've got a stub out here for a wash sink, so pretty good size. And low volt, all your cabling for the house comes into this cabinet right there. All your routers, everything you would need for internet access and smarten up the house, okay? LED lights, crown molding. Okay, now if we walk in to the main living space, the gathering space, this is a pretty good sized space right here. That's a heck of a couch, okay? But over here on the left, you have a dining space, a formal dining space that's all by itself, but still part of the main living space. Again, it's got a big tray ceiling in there, all crowned up. Beautiful. This one has been upgraded with optioned up to the gourmet kitchen. So you have 2 ovens and a 5-burner cooktop. Lots and lots of cabinets in this home. Frigidaire gallery appliances, very nice. There's plenty of space, and this is a ginormous island. Holy cow. Let's see what this pantry looks like. Sharon and I do appreciate you guys. Always honored to give you great information. Probably not the biggest pantry I've seen. Probably adequate, but definitely not the biggest I've ever seen. Are any of these convection? They are convection ovens, so very nice. Little subway tile in the backsplash, very nice. So pretty well laid out because you are part of that big hole, but the kitchen's still kind of tucked back over here. And then you have your cafe space with sliders in the living room side, gathering side, and off the kitchen side, going out to the everything's included screen room and paver lanai. So all that is coming with your home, okay? Very nice. We've helped a couple of folks build and purchased these over the years. Palencia, one of them was in Palencia, down there on US 1. This is a good sized room right here. You know, it's really, when I talked about the air conditioning system in this house, I'm not sure how they designed it, but it's super quiet and it's even throughout the whole house. And it's kind of cool outside today. Good sized shower along with a soaking tub. Some people, you know, tubs are 50-50. Some people want them, some people don't. But that shower is good size and still be able to have a tub here, okay? Yeah, very nice. And opposing sinks, so you're not in each other's way. It's our toilet space and linen closet. A little bit of a linen closet right there. And a good size walk-in closet back over here. Yeah, it's pretty dang good size. Pretty cool. You should check out Sharon's really creating a great SilverLeaf web pages. You guys ought to check it out on Welcome Home St. John's. Now you can tell how big that living room is. That's a, what, 6-seater or 5-seater, 5 big seater couch? Nice. Let me go show you guys the 4th bedroom and bath area up top, up in the loft area. The 2nd floor here. Little linen closet right there. I guess I didn't show you this. This is a secondary bathroom. Even their secondary bathrooms are just clean, if you will. You know, tile to the ceiling again, metal framed shower enclosures. They've done a good job sloping that to that drain in there, if you guys can see that. That's attention to detail right there. Quartz countertops like everybody. This looks like this is a queen bed, a couple nightstands. So if you had somebody staying with you, this would be a great place for them to hang out. Kind of have their own bathroom over here. Let's go upstairs. Sharon and I would love to be the realtors that help you guys. I think we take great care of you, educate you, get your needs understood so we can make great decisions together. A nice closet up here. And the air handler's hidden away over there. I wonder what brand they're using. Let's see. That's a Carrier. Oh, wow, that's a nice little closet it's in. That's kind of cool looking. So it's a Carrier. And another thing in the medallions, in the Royal Series, you have these type of handles. So they're upgraded handles as well on all the doors. So our bathroom. Nice little sink area. Turn the light for us. There we go. And the same kind of shower. You'll notice there's a pan, not tile. That's per code now. You have to have a pan. Can't use tile in the upper floors anymore. And here's the bedroom. Now this is a king size bedroom. It's not a king size bed, but if you had some family members, extended college students, at home, this is just a bedroom living room combination going on. So pretty impressive. All right, gang, we appreciate you coming along. That was the Medallion Bonus by Lennar in Silver Meadows at SilverLeaf here in St. Augustine. If we can get you any more information, we would love to be able to help you guys find that perfect home. Call us, interview us, learn a little bit about us and how we work. We want to learn more about you so we can make sure that we make great decisions together. So we care about you guys, and I want you to have a fantastic day. Thanks.